Have you ever felt a cold sweat break out after realizing you've forgotten your Robinhood password? It's a common occurrence, but fear not. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to reset your password and regain access to your account. Imagine you're sitting down to check your investments, only to find yourself locked out. It's a frustrating experience, but it's a necessary security measure to protect your funds. So, let's dive in and learn how to tackle this password predicament. Step-by-step guide. Access the Forgot Password page. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to Robinhood's website. Look for the Login button and click on it. You'll see a login form. Below the password field, there should be a link that says Forgot Your Password. Click on it. Enter your email or username. On the next page, you'll be asked to enter either your email address or username associated with your Robinhood account. This information is crucial for the password reset process. Receive a verification code. Once you enter your email or username, Robinhood will send a verification code to your registered email address. This code is a security measure to ensure that only you have access to your account. Enter the verification code. Open your email and locate the verification code from Robinhood. Copy and paste it into the designated field on the password reset page. Create a new password. After entering the verification code, you'll be prompted to create a new password for your Robinhood account. Make sure to choose a strong password that's difficult to guess. Confirm your new password. To confirm your new password, you'll need to enter it a second time. This ensures that you've typed it correctly. Reset password successful. Once you've confirmed your new password, Robinhood will display a message indicating that your password has been successfully reset. You can now log into your account using your new credentials. Additional tips. Enable two-factor authentication. For added security, consider enabling two-factor authentication on your Robinhood account. This requires a second form of verification, such as a code sent to your phone, in addition to your password. Avoid phishing scams. Be cautious of phishing emails that may attempt to trick you into revealing your password. Always verify the sender's address and avoid clicking on suspicious links. Regularly update your password. It's a good practice to change your Robinhood password periodically to prevent unauthorized access. Changing your Robinhood password is a simple process that can help protect your investments. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can easily reset your password and regain access to your account. Remember to choose a strong password and be vigilant about security measures to keep your funds safe. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.